Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: yellow mustard, honey, and a small mixing bowl. You will also need a whisk or spoon for combining everything smoothly. This simple sauce comes together quickly with just a few common items from your pantry. It is a versatile condiment perfect for many dishes. The key to delicious honey mustard is finding your ideal ratio. A great starting point is combining 2 parts yellow mustard with 1 part honey. For instance, use 2 tablespoons of mustard and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can always add more honey for extra sweetness or a bit more mustard for a tangier kick. Taste as you go to achieve your perfect balance. Once you have your desired ratio, it is time to mix. Vigorously whisk the mustard and honey together in your bowl until the mixture is completely smooth and evenly combined. For extra flavor, consider adding a pinch of salt, a dash of garlic powder, or even a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. A tiny amount of cayenne pepper can also add a delightful, subtle warmth. After mixing, transfer your fresh honey mustard to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks. This delightful condiment is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders or pretzels, spread it on sandwiches, or use it to elevate your salads. It is a simple, delicious addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.